Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to reveal the 5 best dash cams in 2023 that you need to check out. We have done the hard work for you and researched the 5 best dash cams in 2023 based on their features, performance, quality, and customer feedback. And if you want to buy any of these products, you can find the links to each one in the description below. So let's get into it and see what are the 5 best dash cams in 2023. Number 5. Nextbase 522GW. This is a top-end dash cam with 2K video recording, Alexa, an integrated polarizing filter and a large, 3 inches touchscreen display. Footage produced is of excellent quality, but can suffer in particularly firm cars. The dash cam offers a solid mix of features and good video quality. The Nextbase 522GW is a fantastic all-rounder that does everything you need and still offers that little bit more. It's among the best dash cam offerings in the mid to high-end range, balancing practicality with relative affordability. The dash cam has a field of view of 140 degrees and can record at 1440p at 30 fps or 1080p at 60 fps. The footage produced by the Nextbase 522GW is of excellent quality. It produces a super sharp 1440p, or Quad HD, video image. The dash cam has a field of view of 140 degrees and can record at 1440p at 30 fps or 1080p at 60 fps. However, the footage can suffer in particularly firm cars. While its big screen and built-in polarizing filter are useful additions over models lower down the Nextbase range, it's no better than the mid-range models at capturing what's happening around you. In conclusion, the Nextbase 522GW is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dash cam with plenty of features. It's not perfect, but it's among the best options available in its price range. Number 4. Nexor Pro Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam is a high-quality device that records both the front and interior of your car. It has a parking mode and Wi-Fi capabilities, making it easy to use and convenient. The Nexor Pro Dual Dash Cam is simple to set up and operate. You can be on your way in as little as 5 minutes from getting it out of the box. There's no screen, so everything is carried out via the free Nexar app, which is compatible with most phones. The Nexor Pro Dual Dash Cam has instant streaming and cloud storage capabilities which make it easy to get your video in front of a police officer or insurance company. It also has separate front and rear-facing cameras for double the eyes on all aspects of your journey. This dash cam is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. It records both the front and interior of your car, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered from all angles. In conclusion, the Nexor Pro Dual Dash Cam is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. It's simple to set up and operate, has instant streaming and cloud storage capabilities, and records both the front and interior of your car. We highly recommend it. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam 57. This is an in-car camera with voice control, 1440p video recording, automatic incident video saving and monitoring options when away from your parked car. It is a great all-round device with a host of features. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 offers GPS, great video, phone and cloud connectivity, with free temporary storage, a small profile, super easy mounting, great software features and a real battery. It operates at a higher resolution than cheaper models in the range, but lacks the super wide-angle lens of the pricier 67 watts. While its video quality doesn't quite stack up to its best rivals, the difference is relatively negligible. According to user reviews on Tom's Guide, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a solid mid-range dash cam that hides plenty of features within its compact design. PC World also praised the Garmin Dash Cam 57 for its GPS, great video quality and phone and cloud connectivity, with free temporary storage. In conclusion, if you're looking for an in-car camera with voice control and automatic incident video saving and monitoring options when away from your parked car, then the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Vantrue N4. This is a versatile dash cam that captures with 4K and GPS. It has a 1440p resolution in 3-channel mode and 4K when you drop to 2. It has a workable capture quality and there's a parking mode that can record for up to 24 hours. The Vantrue N4 is easy to set up and has a great picture quality. It comes with forward, rear and interior facing cameras which could help justify the price. This dash cam is perfect for those who want to capture everything that happens on the road. With its 3 cameras, you can capture everything that happens in front of you, behind you, and inside your car. This is especially useful if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. The Vantrue N4 also has an infrared night vision feature which allows you to capture clear footage even in low light conditions. This is great for those who drive at night. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is a great dash cam that captures everything that happens on the road. It's easy to set up and has a great picture quality. If you're looking for a dash cam that can capture everything that happens on the road, then the Vantrue N4 is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a true 4K dash cam that comes with image stabilization, wait words and stunning 4K image quality. It offers great video quality during the day and a hefty number of useful features made possible by the presence of Wi-Fi. The video capture is reliable as long as your settings are correct and the interface is super easy to navigate. The main issue with this device is its steep price point. It is an excellent camera with 4K resolution and a wide field of view of 140 degrees. These glasses are ideal for reading license plates during the day, but their lens flare makes nighttime driving a bit more challenging. The nighttime blurring of license plates makes them less reliable. Video quality is superb and the camera is easy to set up, thanks to a smart magnetic windscreen mount with integrated GPS. Only the clunky smartphone app lets it down, but using this isn't compulsory. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that offers great video quality during the day and a hefty number of useful features made possible by the presence of Wi-Fi, then the Nextbase 622GW is definitely worth considering. And that concludes our video on the 5 best dash cams in 2023. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one and make sure you click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.